The factory assembly line marking key uses a CCD touchscreen control system to accurately locate the key. The conveyor belt transports the key, while the marking machine control system identifies the key. The key is marked while being transported. There is no need for manual individual marking. The intelligent system automatically helps you save time and improve work efficiency.
Got you skinny dipping deep inside my